Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can enable or turn on the top menu bar here on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it, launch Mozilla Firefox. And as you can see guys here, I have these 4 tabs open and there is a top menu bar you can enable on Firefox. All you need to do is simply click into that area next to the open tabs and select menu bar, and that's it. As you can see, it will be open here in the top left, with these options and menus, file, edit, view, and so on and so forth. It's not the same as the customization or toolbar here, for instance, or nor the sidebar. It's pretty distinct, so it features different menus and functions and features like the bookmarks bar, or for example, just go through these options here guys and find the option you would like to use. If you'd like to turn off or hide the top menu bar, right click into it and unselect menu bar, and that's it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.